Hello, my name is Zachary. I'm a general contractor with Signature Custom Homes. How do I work with Rick and his team? I work very well, in my opinion. Rick's a great guy. I was introduced to him a couple years back, and from what I've seen and the work that we've done together, it's been spectacular. It's been a good working relationship, and I've enjoyed every project that we've done together. So I've been involved with Rick with several projects as far as renovation projects and new home constructions. We recently finished up a renovation not too long ago, and we're about to start 4 new construction projects together. I think my favorite project was a house that we did out in Mount Verde. It was a large home. It was one of my first custom homes that I've ever done. We did a lot of new technology and things like that, and I absolutely enjoyed the new construction. I'm a custom home builder, so I absolutely enjoy the new construction aspect of things. If I was to give advice to somebody that's starting out right now, what I would advise them to do is this. Make sure they do their homework. Make sure they do their research. Learn from people like Rick and his team. Interview contractors to make sure that they choose the correct contractor. So if you're about to get started into this business, make sure you do your due diligence to make your road easier. When I got started, I had a long road. All of my experiences were learned by error, kind of like trials and errors that I had to go through. If I was to give somebody advice now, definitely get a mentor. It will definitely give you the shortcut to success. Kind of learn from other people's mistakes, if you will.